What's up, guys? So today I was thinking about going on this little adventure. There is a creek over here that I usually pass every now and then while going to work or something, and I have just been looking at it and been thinking that looks kind of fun. It looks kind of nice going up that and see where it leads us. So that is what I'm doing today. I managed to stuff my kayak in the car. It actually has a few centimeters to spare in the front right there. In our old car, the kayak actually hit the windscreen. So that got me a little nervous when I drove over a small bump or something, because the windscreen could have easily cracked. So here we're coming up on it now. My plan is to put the kayak in over there and then go up this stream. There's a little tunnel right here, and then it continues on the other side into the forest. So yeah, that is the plan for today, and once that's done I will actually go back to the house and continue working on the van. There we go. Let's head off. Jesus, it's really low. It's almost to the point that I can't even paddle in here. Come on. Get deeper, come on. Oh, it's getting deeper, I think. A little bit, just here in the middle. Oh, this is not good. I might have to go back. No point actually paddling here. I can just push my way through. Okay, it's a bit deeper again. That's good. It's funny, I have this not fear of, but I'm a little bit scared by beavers, because I know they are very territorial, and if you come too close they can just swim up beneath the surface, and then you slam with their tail to make you fall into the water and scare you. So I'm not actually scared about being attacked by a beaver, but territorial animals with big tails and huge teeth. It's not the best combination.
12 seconds later.
Oh Jesus. Is this where it all ends? A huge fucking beaver dam. No, I don't think this is a good place to get out. Here maybe. Jesus. My legs just got drenched in here. But at least I'm up. Jesus, almost went in. Okay, I'm fine. Let's try to get out of here. Before I get eaten by this little bastard. But it's like it's tiny creeks like this that I enjoy. But besides of the imminent beaver threat, this turned out to be freaking awesome though. Just look at this. And since we're like in the middle of the forest right now, there isn't almost no wind, so that's nice. How nice is this though? Oh no, not another beaver dam over there. I can see it. Getting up this might not be as easy as the last one though. And preferably not too far away from where I want to put it in again. Maybe I can go up here. I will go in if I try this. It's not a good idea. Oh, that's good. I could actually just go in like that. Success. So we put it right there, so I can climb in. And then it's like kind of go like this. Beaver Dam number 2 complete, and we will continue upstream. Left or right? I think we'll go left. As a matter of fact, I think I will actually stop the recording right now and shut it off and save a bit of battery, and in case something interesting shows up, I will start the recording again. Otherwise, I'll see you on the way back. See you in a bit. I think we have reached the end of where I will be able to continue. Let's see if I can walk along here or if it will be too deep. I think it will be too deep actually. A moose has been walking here. Maybe it was the moose that I saw back there that was crossing here. Maybe drank some water before continuing on. This is very nice though. But yeah, I've been going for I think an hour now, and so far we have been able to avoid any rain. I think I felt like 2 drops before, but that's all. This bit was kind of tricky. It's really narrow, so almost not enough space to use the paddle. But it is kind of deep though, that's the nice thing. Like, as long as I don't go, I hit the shallow part and just strand myself, then I'm happy. The water is actually pretty cold still. It's just, as I said, the 8th of June. So no real warmth. There's still snow on nearby mountains, so as all that snow is melting, it makes all the lakes, creeks, rivers very cold. Well, if I get some speed and try and just floor it up on that edge, then maybe I can strand myself in a position that I can get out. Okay, seems promising so far. Please don't fall in. Please don't fall in. Please don't fall in. Please don't fall in. Oh, success. I made it. Okay. And try to get in here again without falling in. Okay, we're in. Whew. Made it. Good. Let's keep going. The weather is actually kind of perfect right now. Like, there's no wind, there's sun. It's just nice. It's calm, no beavers, no blood-hungry, blood-sucking, murderous beavers anywhere. So that's good. Good. Okay, good. Okay, good. It's fine. I made it. No problem. I say goodbye to the beaver dam, and I hope I didn't do too much damage to their impressive building. Well, that's that, guys. That little creek done, explored. And if this is the first video that you've seen, I am in the process of building my own camper van, so if that's something that's of interest to you, then I can recommend you go watch that as well. Yeah, that's it, guys. The wind is picking up, so good thing that I'm back. Bye, guys.